Good evening, children. I hope everyone are doing fine. We shall have a revision on the chapter acid, bases, and salts. Okay, we shall begin with the exercise questions. So, I want everyone to read once and practice thrice in your homework book. Okay, so we shall look into the first question, that is, state difference between acids and bases. So, what is the difference between acids and bases? So, as I explained in this chapter, okay, acids are sour in taste, wherein bases are bitter in taste. Okay, acid turns blue litmus paper into red color, and the base does not change the color of blue litmus paper. Acid doesn't change the color of red litmus, but bases turn red litmus paper to blue color. Acids do not change the color of turmeric, wherein base turn the turmeric to red. So these are the major difference between acids and bases. Next question is that ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaners. It turns red litmus blue. So what is its nature? Okay, so ammonia is found in many household products, isn't it? So we can also use it, and we use it for window cleaners also. If red litmus turns blue, then what could be its nature? Obviously, it is basic in nature, isn't it? The answer is basic in nature. Next question, name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. So what is the solution? What is the use of this solution? Okay, so litmus solution is extracted from lichens. Okay, so litmus solution is used as an indicator to find whether the substance are acidic or basic nature of a solution. Next question is the distilled water acidic, basic or neutral? How would you verify it? So here two questions is been merged. Okay, so distilled water acidic, basic athwa neutral, and how do you verify it? So distilled water is neutral in nature, and this can be tested by using red and blue litmus paper. In either of the cases, color remains unchanged. So ಇದನ್ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೋತ್. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಲರೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ಡಿಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ದ ಕಲರ್. That way we can verify that both are not changing its color. Both litmus paper are not changing its color. So it is neutral. Okay. Describe the process of neutralization with an example. So how do you describe neutralization with example? So what is neutralization? Neutralization is a reaction between an acid and a base. So here both acids and bases get neutralized. Okay, for example, when sodium hydroxide is added to hydrochloric acid, here sodium hydroxide is a base and hydrochloric acid is a acid. Next, sodium chloride NaCl and water, that is H2O, are obtained. That means salt along with water will be the product always when there is a neutralization of both acid and bases. So what is the product obtained? It is salt and water. So NaOH is a sodium hydroxide, wherein HCl is hydrochloric acid. When both react, what is the product given? Salt, that is NaCl, and water, H2O. So next we shall see true or false. So here nitric acid turns red litmus blue. It is false. Okay, so nitric acid, it is acid. It needs to turn blue litmus to red. Next, sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus to red. No, it is a base, right? Sodium hydroxide has to turn red litmus to blue. It is false statement. Next question, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralizes each other to form salt and water. Just now we saw. Yes, it is true. Indicator is a substance which show different colors in acidic and basic solution. True, isn't it? So next, tooth decay is caused by the presence of base. No, it is false statement. It occurs, tooth decay occurs or it is caused by the presence of acid. Next question. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately, these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and third one wants neutral drink. How will Dorji decides which drink is to be served to whom? So Dorji can taste a few drops out of soft drink bottles. Acidic solution always tastes sour in nature. Uli irutte. Basic solution is bitter. Kahi irutte. Alva? And the neutral solution has no taste at all. So along with tasting, Dorji can use litmus paper to test the nature of soft drink. He should use blue litmus paper to test the acidic solution. So acidic solution test ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ Dorji will use blue litmus paper, where if we want to test for and what he is to do, he is to put a drop of solution on the blue litmus. If it turns red, then the solution will be acidic. Similarly, you can use red litmus to test basic solution. He has to put a drop of solution on red litmus. If it turns blue, then the solution will be basic in nature. Okay. So next question, explain why antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity, isn't it? So antacid, it acts as a base, and you know HCl production takes place in our stomach. What happens if we take antacid? Okay, it get neutralizes. The antacid tablet contain base like milk of magnesia, which neutralizes the acid that is produced in the stomach. Hence it is used while suffering from acidity. Okay. Next question. Calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites. When ant bites, it injects formic acid inside the skin. So calamine consists of zinc carbonate, which is basic in nature. Okay. Hence calamine, what happens? It neutralizes the effect of formic acid to bring relief for the affected person. Next is factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies. Factory wastes are acidic in nature, which may cause harm to aquatic life. Hence they are neutralized by using a base before disposing it into the water. Okay, so last we have next question. 3 liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another one is sodium hydroxide, and the third is a sugar solution. How will you identify them? So you have only turmeric indicator. So using only turmeric indicator, we should identify it. So add solution to container with turmeric indicator. If the solution is sodium hydroxide, it would turn turmeric indicator to red. So to the same container, add test solution number 2. If the added solution is sugar solution, indicator remains red, because mixture of basic and neutral solution will always be basic in nature. Similarly, add the test solution number 3 to another container with turmeric indicator. If the indicator remains red, then the solution will be hydrochloric acid. So next question is, blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. So what is the nature of the solution? Explain. So above solution may be neutral or basic in nature, as both of them will not change the color of the blue litmus paper. So next, consider the following statements. Both acids and bases change color of all indicators. If an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it doesn't give any change with the base. If any indicator changes color with the base, it doesn't change color with an acid. Change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of indicator. Which of these statements are correct? Okay, whether it is all four are correct or A and D only is correct, B, C, D is correct or only D. So here only D is correct. So change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of the indicator what we are using. So this could be the answer. So children, go through it, read once and practice thrice. You will definitely finish with this chapter and we will have a test by evening. Okay, see you all. Have a good day.